Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode. So let's enter the settings and here we have to find the display and brightness. Now let's localize eye comfort, and of course you can turn it on right now just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can customize it, simply tap on this eye comfort and here we've got some options. So first of all, the switcher with the intensity of the feature. By going to the left we can make it much cooler and to the right much warmer. So of course just set it like you want to. We've got the display effects also, so we can display the colors with the filter, or we can display everything in black and white, so monochromatic. Again, up to you. Right now we've got the manual option set, so always on, but we can also make it kind of automatic outside, so we can set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, and we can also schedule the time, so we can freely pick the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly, so it's up to you. Alright, so basically this is the whole customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and here we have to localize this eye comfort icon. So currently it is turned on, you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and of course turn it on the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.